So I am removing the Toyota Camry trunk latch today. You'll see the trunk latch sitting on the trunk lid underneath this fabric liner. What you'll do is you can release these clips here. I would just pull up on them, and you don't need all of them, but they were already removed here along the side of the trunk. And this latch is pretty simple. It just has an electrical connector. It is 3 pins, and then there are two 10mm bolts, and then there's a release cable that comes into the latch from here that will pry the plastic down after we remove it, and to release that. That is the release from inside the cabin. So I use an impact in the junkyard, but any 10mm that you have. Okay, the latch drops down, and what you can do then here is that it's still connected to the cable, but I would push up on it right here. There's a tab on the top, and then you press on that to release it, and then you just kind of wiggle it down. There's a little ball that is attached in there, and that comes out. And installation is reverse removal. So I'm back in the office for bench testing. I have a power probe, and I have a wiring plug from the junkyard. Toyota designed this one a little bit in an odd way, where the black wire has power. The black wire is it is hot, so it'll run the motor that's sitting right here for the latch. We'll use the middle wire as ground. In the wiring plug that I have, it is white and black, and we'll just fire off the part here with the power probe, and then continuity will move to the white wire here. It's a thinner one, and this just tells the dash that the latch is in the open position, as well as the trunk light. So I hope that helps. I'll have the OEM part number as well as a link to eBay in the description. We'll see you next time.